I'm assuming since he's charged with continuous violence against family, there's a previous assault case. Excuse me, you all can't do the side chatter because the court report is taking down everything that everyone is saying. And I'm sorry, could I have the interpreter? All right, we're going to go on the record. The court is calling 2025 CR 007972, State versus Jesus Enrique Alexander Velasquez. Could I have the parties announce?
Attorney for the state of Texas.
Ms. Taylor, ready?
And are you Mr. Velasquez?
See.
Yes.
All right, we're here for our motion to set bond. And it appears that the state has agreed on a bond of $10,000. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what is Mr. Velasquez's criminal history? I'm assuming since he's charged with continuous violence against family, there's a previous assault case. Excuse me, you all can't do the side chatter because the court report is taking down everything that everyone is saying. And I'm sorry, could I have the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand for me, please? You solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. If you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Catalina Delgado, Delgado, license number 2222.
All right, and state.
So he had a previous assault yet in April 11th, 2024, that became part of this current English violence case against the family. Otherwise, he doesn't have.
And the previous assault, is that the same complainant? All right. Mr. Velasquez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
It's huge.
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. Either you're going to speak in Spanish or you're not.
I'll speak Spanish, yes, now.
All right. And the reason why I say that is because we have an interpreter here. All right. Have you ever had any type of mental health diagnosis?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Have you ever had any type of mental health diagnosis?
No, ma'am.
Have you
No,
ever
ma'am.
been, thank you. Have you ever, yeah, I guess we're going to speak in English and in Spanish. Have you ever received any type of medication for any type of mental health treatment?
No, pues.
No, Judge.
In the past, have you ever used any type of drugs?
No, pues.
No, Judge.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. What is his current bond set at? Counsel, what is his current?
The clerk says there's no bond at this time now.
There's no bond that's been set?
It was originally 10,000. He begins the court date and he was remanded without bond.
All right. So we have someone who's missed a court date. Counsel, why did he miss his court date?
Respectfully, at the time, his new wife was in the hospital and he had to pawn his phone at the time because he had no money and he had to come up with 40,000 pesos. And it was on the Mexican side. They all live in Laredo. But now he will have a phone. Now he will have a place to stay. Now they had a very tragic incident with the new wife. And at this point, Your Honor, he's no longer with the victim in this case. At this point, Your Honor.
Well, here's my question. The wife that he was helping in Mexico, is that the same wife who's the complainant?
No, Your Honor, it's different. It's a new one.
So this new alleged person, is that his girlfriend? Why
Yes.
he has, so he has a
She's on Zoom as well.
so he has a girlfriend in San Antonio.
No, it's in Laredo.
No.
Well, this wife that you're saying that he had to get money for.
No, this is a new wife.
And is this new wife somebody other than the complainant in this motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
So he has somebody in the complainant in the motion. Is this complainant in the motion his girlfriend?
No longer together, Your Honor. No longer together.
And you say there's someone on Zoom who wants.
Yes, she's going to be the new wife that he had to sell his phone to be able to pay for a medical emergency. And I can call as a witness if she should be on Zoom, Your Honor.
Oh, she is. Could you unmute, please? and show video. All right, so the fact that while she's waiting to unmute, so the fact that he had to sell his phone, that still doesn't explain why he was not in court.
He didn't have a way to get notification about the court date. He did not know. But now he understands how important it is to make his court appearances in the future.
So how long has he been in custody?
2 meses y
2
una
months,
semana.
2 months and
2 months and 2 weeks.
So the warrant for his arrest was issued in July.
He may have some time from before.
No. I mean, I'm saying he was issued in July. So is he saying he's been in custody since July?
No, es porque en junio fue cuando empeñé el celular.
No, because in June, that's when I pawned my cell phone.
O sea, no tenía forma de saber cuándo tenía la corte.
I had no way of knowing when my hearing was going to be.
Y no tenía trabajo tampoco.
And I also didn't have a job
Porque me despidieron por haberme movido a México por la emergencia médica que tuvo mi esposo.
because I was fired since I had to move to Mexico for the medical emergency my wife had.
No, when you have a charge, you're given a court date before you're released. Wasn't he arrested for this offense? If he was arrested for this offense and it was not at large, he would have had a court date when he was released from the jail. That's my question, counsel.
¿Cuál es la pregunta?
Yeah.
No, cuando yo salí la primera vez, estuve preguntando.
When he first got out, he was asking.
But no.
Okay.
So here's the thing. If he's talking, I need the interpreter to
Okay.
interpret.
Cuando salí la primera vez, los primeros meses estuve preguntando diariamente sobre la corte y ellos me dijeron que dejara de hablar porque ellos me iban a avisar.
When I first got out, I kept asking. I asked for about a month and they told me to stop calling, that they would let me know.
He was calling daily also.
He was calling daily.
So
I mean, well, that's what he's saying. Where's the proof that he pawned his phone and he paid a medical bill? Do you have that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
I just got email from the wife. Me
You
short
need to show it to
the
the
state.
state.
And this is why you had to sell his phone. Yes, have you seen the good phone? iPhone 15 Pro.
I apologize. I just got email. So I talked to. And let me just show you how that works. This is for the phone. If you close it, you see the hospital bill in the same email. On the right hand side, it's all in Spanish, but we can use an interpreter to maybe explain the hospital bill. Okay. He can read the document and explain to the court.
I
How
don't
much.
need an explanation.
Thank you.
I cannot fluently speak Spanish. However, I can read Spanish.
Thank you.
It's actually similar to French.
Thank you.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $30,000. Who's the complainant?
Azamet Torres, that is spelled AZUNHET.
HET.
Yes, Your Honor. And then Torres is common spelling TORRES.
All right, the court is going to set your bond at $30,000. There's to be no contact with Azamet Torres. And there's to be GPS partial for employment till further notice. And I'll ask that GPS fees be waived. And Norma, give him a set date. Your jury trial date is set for November 4th. Thank you.